right, so once again, my fault. I think I got messed up. These I don't know what they're called, but these fins, you see they're off, but these are just unique things to 73. Certain trim levels of the Deltas, just like kind of like the Impala or the Caprice. Certain trim levels come with certain items. You know, I mean, this fender is messed up, and this man can fix it. Robert's a bad man. I mean, man, let me tell y'all, this car was so rusted when he got it, and I'll be honest, I didn't think he's gonna be able to bring it back like this. But he's spraying his car black, so you know black don't hide nothing. So we'll see how well it looks. But there's just a lot of damage here on this car, man. I mean, look at this. It's literally cut. I mean, it just looks like crap. I just wish they'd have left the car alone, factory color, because it was probably really nice. But it's okay. What I'm about to do to it is gonna be way crazy. And all this dent stuff, how it's all messed up, you won't see none of that. So just know that. So let me get the next fender ready, start working on, and we're gonna get to it. Yeah. I don't know what you think. Cheap or not. I'm in love with my goddamn car. Only way I'm cheap. I'm gonna be real with you. Only way I'm feeling cheap right now is when I got car parts. Bruh, if she ain't buying no car part, I ain't going. That's a fact. Oh God. All right, let me get this one. I don't know if y'all really understand how big this fender is. Bruh, this fender almost as big as this whole car right here. The whole damn car. Y'all kind of see how long it takes me to bust this down. All right, look. You see this? This is factory. It's made. Somebody put a damn screw. I never even noticed this. That just show you how much little stuff you don't know. You're not paying attention. Man, that shit hood is ghetto as hell. That shit actually makes me mad, man. I ain't gonna lie. See this tape? When I take those fins off, I'm gonna lay them on this tape so they're set up the exact way they come off. Then I'll wrap them up. I'll put them in a bag. Boom. Now, this motor is a little bit worse. It's got a little bit more. It's not perfectly straight. As a matter of fact, you can even see in here where they've had to mess with it, try to get it to line up. But not gonna worry about it. Sent to my man. He gonna tax me, but it's gonna be right. Well, let me bring y'all over to this. Everything off the fender. See this little stuff? I'm gonna take all that stuff off real quick tomorrow before I take it to powder coating, because I'm gonna get those powder coated too. The hinges, I'm gonna get those powder coated. The biggest thing is organization. So you see all this stuff, this don't belong here. But all this stuff, see how I got my stuff laid out in tape, all my bolts and everything together. Everything laid out on tape, both sides. So what I'm gonna do, you notice all this stuff is together pretty much. What I'm gonna do is bag everything up, put all the tools away, and I'll show y'all the post, what I did after I bagged it up. 1 second. So I said I was gonna show y'all this. So basically, I don't know if y'all can see that yellow. That's crazy. That shit loud. So it says Fender chrome. All the chrome pieces that came off my fenders. Fender bolts. Just a simple way to organize stuff. You know, it ain't gotta be nothing special. I did put a couple of these bolts in there. I forgot I took those off. And fender lamps. Don't make fun of my riding. I'm a man, I ride like a man. I'm not riding like no woman. Anyway, so there's the fender. Man, they go to sandblasting. I'll take these off. Take the hinges off probably, just so they're off. Get everything sandblasted, but this is it, man. So, and then we'll e-coat everything after we sandblast it. Everything will be e-coated. Not e-coated, but probably primed and sealed. It's water-based paint that I'm using on this car, so it'll be probably primed and sealed. Regular water-based prime, not even sealed. But yeah, I mean, you see it, man. It's coming together. So, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Hold on. Yes, sir. See the bag on the motor. That's over the carburetor. Getting this thing sprayed down with this good purple power. Yes, sir. Guess what's about to happen? We ain't cleaning it to keep it. We cleaning it to pull it. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be dressing a little bit, so I'm gonna work on a little bit today, but we're gonna get ready to pull out. Start unbolting some stuff, get this motor ready to come out, man. It's time for my other motor to start getting mocked up and get ready to go in. Somebody's actually already bought this motor. This motor is a Oldsmobile 455. It's a great motor, runs good. Shit, y'all, you've been on my channel, you already know it runs good. But it's time to move forward with this build. And man, it's time to go LS. Or LT, actually, LT. But yeah, this motor finna come out, man. Look at this. Got a couple little repairs to do. We're gonna pull this radiator support. I'm gonna set the camera up for that. I'm gonna pull the radiator support and everything, show y'all how everything come out. But just spraying everything down, getting everything cleaned up, so I get less dirt on me when I'm trying to get everything out. We got a lot to do. All this wiring's got to be repaired. So it's a lot to do on this car, man. But we working. It's going forward. Slow motion better than no motion. This a build. This a straight build that I'm pretty much touching everything on myself. I'm not doing the actual body repairs myself. My homeboy Robert doing it. That's a great help. He's showing me a lot of love, man, helping me out. He wants to see my build come to life. He understands my vision. And sometimes you just need somebody to help push you, man. Somebody to see your vision, you know? Somebody to see what you're trying to obtain, what you're trying to accomplish, and help you make it come true. Sometimes you can't do everything by yourself. A lot of stuff you gotta at least start doing. Man, the best analogy I ever heard about doing stuff like this by yourself. Not even like this, just anything. Doing anything by yourself. If y'all ever heard about doing things by yourself, the best one was, it's like somebody on the side of the road, their car broke down. They waving their hands, hey, I need help, I need help, I need help. People just gonna drive by them, right? But you see somebody pushing their car in the road, trying to push their car by themselves, man, you'll see 100 people stop and come help him, get out their cars to help him. And that's what a lot of us gotta think about, man. Sometimes you got the vision and you got the blessing and the power to do stuff, but sometimes you need that extra person to help push you, whether it's your partner, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is, your homeboys. A lot of y'all got a lot of foul ass homeboys that's really holding you back. You probably need to leave them alone, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, man, y'all know what it is. CARVAIN TV, man, salute. Let's go. Good thing about this car, ain't no rust, nothing crazy on it, man. You see a little surface stuff, that's easy. I'll take off. Got a couple things got fixed. This bumper thing is not straight. Got to fix that. Got a couple things in the body. See, I already got most of the trim off. Got a couple things in the body to fix. Where they cut it up, we're gonna fix all that. I'm gonna go inside and show y'all my fenders, man, and what we did with those, and how we bringing that stuff back. But right now, man, I'm gonna finish spraying this off, and I'll get y'all back on camera in a second. Work on a little bit today, but we're gonna get ready to pull out. Start unbolting some stuff, get this motor ready to come out, man. It's time for my other motor to start getting mocked up and get ready to go in. Somebody's actually already bought this motor. This motor is a Oldsmobile 455. It's a great motor, runs good. Shit, y'all, you've been on my channel, you already know it runs good. But it's time to move forward with this build.